Just setting my Ritz crackers down right onto my baking sheet. Now I have some delicious cheddar cheese here that I just cut into nice big squares. Of course, you can use any type of cheese that you want, and once you see what we're kind of whipping together here today, maybe you have another suggestion. I think cheddar all the way, that's where I'm going today. However, my mind is totally in some football snacks for the Super Bowl. So that is where we are going today. We are gonna grab ourselves some jalapenos. Now, I know that some people don't like spicy. I like to get these jalapenos. You can get them if they're in the jar. You can always pick out the ones that are mild. You don't have to get the spicy ones. However, I was kind of thinking maybe if you didn't want to use a jalapeno, perhaps a pickle would be a good idea. So tell me in the comments, are you team jalapeno or are you team pickle? What are you adding onto your cracker sandwich here that we are creating today? So just go through, quickly put one there right on top or fill it with whatever you desire. Moving right along here, this little bite-sized snack is gonna be so tasty. Once you have all those guys locked and loaded up, you're gonna come back with a Ritz cracker, just sandwiching in that chunk of cheddar with the jalapeno, and now we have the Ritz cracker. Holy cow, you guys, this is next level snacking right here. Now we got some delicious bacon here. I went with the Jimmy Dean Applewood smoked bacon. Of course, that's always an option. Anything else as well. The only thing that I would suggest is don't get the bacon that is really thick. You don't want the thick cut bacon for this. So just grab your bacon out. Oh, it's so nice and slimy. Gotta love some slimy bacon, huh? Okay, you guys, that was a little bit difficult, but we got it under control. All right, so we're gonna wrap this nice big piece of delicious bacon right around our cracker, just like so. That's what I'm talking about. So all you need to do with this is just to continue all the way through, wrapping your Ritz crackers with cheese and jalapeno. Oh yeah, this bacon is just gonna seal in the deal. Okay, we are all wrapped up and ready to go. So I'm gonna stick them in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes and stick around. You are going to love these. Woo-wee, look at those bad boys. Wow, what are we gonna call these things? A perfect piece of heaven? I mean, seriously, look, I'm just gonna pick this up here. I love, and of course you can move that cheese out that oozes off. I love when the cheese oozes off like that. That's my favorite part. Look at that bacon. Let's look at the other side. Oh my gosh, I can see the jalapeno. Look at the jalapeno in there, sandwiched in there. Holy cow. These are a home run and definitely some of David's favorite. He's been helping me all morning, so babe, why don't you come over here and give these a try? Woohoo. All right, David's hungry and he's gonna come over here and check these out for us. So babe, why don't you come over here and give them a try? What are you gonna go for?
I'm gonna go this one right
Okay,
here.
ooh. So what do you think? Dig in. I'm super excited. I think you're really gonna love these.
Delicious.
Yes, so good, right? Oh, I can hear the crunch from the cracker, the crispiness of the bacon and the cheese, which of course you can always change up. Let me know if there is anything you're gonna change up. What do you think of this? Nice, fun, and I don't know, super tasty little bite-sized appetizer. Let me know in the comments, you guys. I hope you really enjoy. We'll see you later.